Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to learn how to update your credit card information in the Uber app. Now, basically, how this works is that you have to firstly click on the Uber app option. Okay, open the Uber app, let it load. After some time, it will load depending on your data speed. After that, you can see and you can scroll. This is basically the user interface where you can search for a trip or you can ride a trip. Now what you need to do is head down and click on the right bottom corner option, which is called accounts. Click on the accounts. Okay, after clicking on accounts, this interface will appear where you will have certain options like your name, your rating, help, trips, wallet, send a gift, settings, messages, etc. Now second step is to click on this wallet option. After clicking on this wallet option, here you can see several options like Uber Cash, gift card, Paytm Cash. Now Uber Cash is for someone who has a gift card and who can redeem it, so it will add automatically points to your Uber account. Now as soon as we are making this video on how to add your new credit card information, you just need to click on add payment method or redeem gift card. Click on add payment method. Now here you will see three options: Uber gift card, credit or debit card, Amazon Pay. Now what you need to do is click on the credit or debit card option. After clicking on credit or debit card option, you have to fill in your specific numbers or details. Like I'm gonna fill, okay, this is not a real credit card, so I'm just gonna enter anything. 22, no, it expired. 26. Okay, CVV might be 777, or if you want to give a nickname, Abhishek. Okay, now it's all done. And if the credit card option, if the credit card number is right, then it will accept and add it to the Uber app's payment method. Okay, now you can click back and now you can just select the ride, and suppose select the ride, the map will open. You can choose a payment method, and here your credit card option will appear after you will add it. This was this for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel.